What could happen to the stock markets if Narendra Modi returns as a Prime Minister again? And what would happen if he doesn't? Well, as per global brokerage firm Morgan Stanley, if BJP comes into power after the Lok Sabha elections, Sensex could actually hit 74,000 by December 2024. That is a 14% upside potential. Quite a big number, right? Now, this is only assuming that Narendra Modi becomes the PM again and that the current government continues to be the future government as well. Morgan Stanley has taken 3 scenarios to explain this. Number 1 is base case, number 2 is bull case, and number 3 is bear case. The base case scenario of Sensex hitting 74,000 mark has a 50% probability. A base case scenario is the average financial outcome that is most likely to happen if you make no real changes. Morgan Stanley said, if we assume continuity in a government with majority mandate, robust domestic growth, the US does not slip into a protracted recession and benign oil prices, government policy remains supportive, and also the RBI executes a calibrated exit from its current hold stance, Sensex earnings compound 21.5% annually through F 2026E. But what if somehow BJP doesn't come into power? In the bear case scenario, the index may fall to 51,000 if the following happens. Number 1, if elections deliver an unclear mandate with a change in the government. Number 2, if oil prices surge past $110 per barrel. Number 3, if the RBI ends up tightening to protect macro stability. Number 4, US recession leads to lower global growth. Morgan Stanley's bull case scenario with a 30% probability shows that the index can zoom as much as 86,000 if number 1, oil prices dip into the $70 range or below, resulting in lower domestic inflation. Number 2, deeper rate cuts from the RBI. Number 3, the US growth cycle renews with global share prices responding with a strong up move. Number 4, bond flows surprise to the upside. Although early 2024 could be marked by high volatility for Indian equities amid the general elections, the Global Investment Bank holds its positive stance and sees it outperforming not only China but many other emerging market peers by 2024. India has delivered strong relative earnings, sustaining the strong market outperformance seen in 2022, while macro fundamentals have withstood tightening financial conditions in the US. In its 2024 Outlook report, Morgan Stanley said that India is set to establish secular economic and earnings outperformance versus EM. Well, that is all for today. Stay tuned to ET Markets for more.